Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have this easy cut crease teal eyeliner look for you. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then keep watching. I'm starting off by using the burnt orange shade from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm applying this into the crease using a MAC 224 blending brush, and I'm just going back and forth getting the whole entire crease. Now taking the shade Senna, and I'm applying this into the crease as well, just below the first shade. This will just help define the crease even more. And I've just switched my brush to a more smaller blending brush so it can be more precise. Now taking the shade Temper, and I'm using this to cut my crease, and I'm taking this on a concealer brush that's a little bit damp. Now taking the Maybelline Gel EyeLiner, I'm going to start creating a straight line across my lash line and then creating my wing. So I'm going to be creating a straight line first and then just another one above it. This will create a triangle shape. And like always, just fill this in and then you can neaten up the line. If you want to make it thicker, you can do at this point as well. Using the shade Glistening, this is going to be my inner corner highlight, and I'm just taking this on a pencil brush. And here I'm just creating my inner corner point using that same gel liner. Now I'm taking the NYX Epic Wear eye pencil in the shade Turquoise Storm. I'm applying this in my waterline. I'm just going to apply this a little bit more thicker than normal. And then to finish the look off, I'm just going to apply some false lashes and then apply a little bit of mascara as well. And this is the end result. I hope you enjoyed watching this super easy cut crease look. If you'd like to see more, then please subscribe. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!